Sure thing, Bobby. I was gonna watch church on TV, but I can just DVR it.
Well, we just need you to turn off the oven, that's all, Teddy.
I'm not really much of a cook. I don't spend a lot of time in the kitchen, as you probably know.
It's not hard, Teddy. You just turn the knob.
Whoa, slow down, Bob. Let me get a pen.
You don't need a pen, Teddy. You just
on.
need to turn the knob to off.
Turn the knob to, go.
Off.
Off. Okay. O-F.
Oh, my God.
This thing's not working. Why is it you never have one that works when you... Hold on.
Just go to our house and turn off the oven.
Okay. Bob, did you get my Christmas card?
Teddy, I gotta go.
Bobby, did you get the Christmas card?
Not yet. Can't
Got
wait.
everyone gone?
Bye.
Hello? Anybody home? I know there's not, but I have mayonnaise. That ham smells good. Wish my place smelled this hammy. Bob's really got it all. Oh, it's just a dial. Why did Bob make it so complicated? Hey, there's my Christmas card. Bob didn't open it. What's he waiting for? Actual Christmas? Hello, cookies. I'll accept the tip. Tree or a reindeer? They probably taste the same, but maybe they don't. Maybe I find out. Who knows? I need some milk. The milk is in the fridge. Okay. To reach milk, place your hand through Christmas wrist wreath. That sounds fun. What's going on? Oh, man! Ooh, pickles. It's like a disco. That's a dumb place to keep bowls. Oh, so cold and crisp. I guess I'm near the crisper. I'm not gonna last much longer. Maybe I could get to the knives on the counter. I could cut my way out. Teddy, you gotta try. Just pretend you're moving a fridge for Bob. So, Bobby, you got a new fridge, huh? What else is new with you? Uh-oh. No. Now I'm gonna die looking at G's finger painting. What is that even supposed to be?
We got him!
Oh, my God. Teddy.
Teddy is Santa!
I found the Christmas card you didn't open. It's right there on the counter. Open the card while I'm here.
You'd rather me do that than try and get the...
Open the card, then you can get the fridge off of me. Oh, well, anyway, it's just a cat.
What does it say?
It says, Merry Christmas.
Yep. Yeah. That's cute.